tout le monde.
Bienvenue sur notre channel
Qui est les trois sisters. Aujourd'hui, on vous apporte
une nouvelle vidéo. Mais avant de commencer, on voudrait dire merci à chaque personne qui se sont déjà abonnés sur notre channel. Et vous qui n'êtes pas encore abonnés, on vous demande d'abonner, de like, de partager et de nous laisser un petit commentaire pour nous dire qu'est-ce que vous avez pensé de nos vidéos.
Ok guys, aujourd'hui la vidéo qu'on vous apporte, on va vous expliquer comment s'est passée notre journée en anglais. Oui guys, en anglais. C'est moi qui commence. Comme je suis née en Angleterre, alors je vais vous parler en anglais. 10. Laisse-moi parler, ok? 10. This afternoon, laisse-moi. I wake up, okay? I wake up. I wake up at 8 du matin. So I pray. I wash myself. After I eating. After I speaking au téléphone. So I watching the videos. I cooking. I cooking because me, I go to school après-midi. So c'est après-midi. I cooking. After I eating again. After I prepare pour go to school. When I arrived in my school, I don't know. J'ai enlevé mon manteau, mes bottes, tout. Après, je rentre de la classe. I worked. I faisais. I did my research. After I will go in the pause. I eating in apple. Et after I return in the class. So after my break at 6h30. Me and my friend, I eating again. So after again, I return in the class. I faisais des activités. And so l'activité as I dessine rien. Okay guys, I dessine rien. I dessine me, I dessine rien. Après je vais vous mettre la photo là, c'est très beau. After finish school, my friend depose me in the metro. After I I take the bus to come back, and my oops. So I made déshabille. I eat again. After, I'm going to pray and I'm going to sleep. Okay, guys.
Okay, c'est mon tour. This morning, I rise to school at 8 o'clock. I had the exam for marketing, and it was very difficult, but I think
You are issuing.
No, I think I pass.
Oh, well, you are passed.
Yes,
The exam was very, very difficult.
You are pass.
You are going to pass. Are you signed? No. Are you signed?
I think.
Okay, you would think.
I think, or I believe. Because I believe in me. So,
Il faut.
So, after I take the box outside. It was very cold. I take the box, the metro. I don't know in English.
Metro.
And when I arrived in the house, I eating, I don't know, and I cooking
You
the
cooking
rice.
too?
The rice.
Me, I cooking. You too?
You and
This
before
Okay,
at
this
school,
okay.
me and after at school.
Okay,
So,
I comprends maintenant. Yes.
And I cooking the rice. After I talked
And your friend.
fun.
Fun.
Okay.
Cell phone.
And I studied I think what I talk about I talk with my father. After I sleep it.
Sleep it.
And I did to sleep because tomorrow I school very tôt, but the girls have have to do the activity, so I can't to minuit I'm going to sleep.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's my turn now. Today I was to school. When I arrived in the school, my cours in this morning was annulé. Me, I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know why?
I don't know. My cours was annulé.
You don't know why?
Que mon cours était
Que
annulé.
son cours était annulé.
Ouais,
C'est ça qu'elle a dit en anglais.
Ah.
So guys, I go in the bibliothèque for finish my
Project.
devoir. My devoir. After this, my friend called me for said me she's finished cours. Okay, so I descend in the auditorium for retrouver elle.
Stupid.
Today in my school was an activity for black for month of black, you know. So after she and me, my friend and me, we going to buy the food because we are very hungry, you know. But we eat the poutine. Poutine is the menu, principal menu in the Quebec. So we eat the poutine. After that, we're going to the activity for Mont Black, I don't know, for dance, for cry, for relâchez-vous. Yes, guys. After my new cours was 2 o'clock. I'm going to my cours, and my cours today we see in the new chapitre. I don't know, I don't understand anything. My teacher said I don't understand anything. After this, my school is relâché, and I'm going to I go to take the bus for coming in
in the house.
my house. When I come, I forget it. I have one project for tomorrow qui vaut 15%. I forget it when I open my agenda for verify what I have for this week, and I see that. I said what, and I go quickly do my project, and I do the project, but I don't know what I am reading. Okay, look, I don't know if I'm gonna pass this project. Is this project vaut 15%. So but I do this project, but I don't know if I'm gonna pass this project. I'm gonna pray for me too, for I'm gonna pass this project, you know. And after I prepare me for go to sleep, and she said me, no, you don't go to sleep, because this night we're gonna do the activity, you know. but it's my journée au complet. For today.
Ami, moi-même, je connais fait Angleterre, ok? C'est là me fait, c'est là me grandi, c'est là me fait tout à fait. Par contre, ça m'a cherché côté mien là. So, si nous jugeons que Angleterre n'est pas bon, so, faut que moi parle anglais Canada, ça veut dire n'a voyons non cours anglais. Mais si que nous jugeons que Angleterre n'est toujours bon Canada, no problème. Tu voulais me garder l'anglais, no problème. No problem. So guys, nous faisons tout ça de capable faire. Nous vraiment parler anglais. Ça c'était tout anglais. Nous te gagné déjà coûte non.
Non, nous avons un calendrier de jour.
Nous gagne guys. Si c'était comme nous gagne, mais tout ça nous baillons là, ça c'était
ça pour aujourd'hui.
Ça c'était maximum non, OK?
Maximum pour aujourd'hui.
So, c'est là que nous mettons fin avec cette vidéo ça. Nous espérons que vous avez aimé cette vidéo. Nous invité à commenter, like vidéo et pas oublier partager vidéo pour l'autre monde. Kawel. Nous disons à la prochaine. Bye.